guys, today we're making garam masala. We'll be using homemade garam masala in most of our dishes in our upcoming videos. So let's get started on how to prepare this. Half a cup of cumin seeds, a handful of black cardamon, a handful of whole mace, 2 tablespoons of whole black pepper, 1 tablespoon of cloves, a handful of cinnamon sticks, 4 bay leaves. Now, in a dry pan without any oil or water, we're going to roast all our seeds apart from the whole mace. Put it on a low flame and continue stirring so it doesn't burn. We're doing this to release the flavours and the nice smell of the seeds. Stir for 2 minutes. Once it's cooled down, add in your whole mace. Make sure it's cooled down. Just mix that in. We're just going to blend our garam masala now into a fine powder. So our garam masala is now a fine powder. So here we have our homemade, simple and easy garam masala. It smells very nice. In my opinion, I think it's better than the shop bought ones because you can smell all the flavours. So be inspired, try new things and conquer amazing skills, and like and subscribe and comment down below and check out our other videos. Thanks for watching, bye!